If an emergency happens at UNC-Chapel Hill, word should get out to the campus faster now. The university has made some changes to its Alert Carolina system.
Very good. CBS North Carolina's Justin Quisenberry explains how the system's been streamlined.
In emergencies, sirens blare and alerts pop up on your phone, but now UNC has cut the time it takes to get from authorities to you from about 15 minutes to 5 or even less. What was once a 12-step process is now done with a single touch of a button here at the Campus Safety Department's dispatch center. Pressing that button will sound a siren with verbal information and also send about 65,000 emails, upwards of 60,000 text messages, and post the information to a website and social media.
Wording was already predetermined. What we did was automate all of those various steps. So in the past, it took the admin logging into each individual tool, launching a message, then moving on to the next tool. Now all of those steps are performed simultaneously in parallel without requiring individual logins to individual tools. It's all automated.
The system is used if an armed and dangerous person is on campus, there's a fire or hazmat situation, or a tornado threatening UNC. Officials say Alert Carolina has been in place for about 8 years. Last July, UNC leaders admitted to a breakdown in communication after 2 armed robberies were reported on campus. Sirens were activated, but the system failed to follow up with notifications. They were not issued for about 45 minutes. The university launched a review of Alert Carolina, but a spokesman for the Public Safety Department says no particular situation led to the new one-button approach. He says the opportunity for streamlining was available, helping to cut time when seconds matter.
For example, with the advent of a tornado with a direct impact on campus, obviously we want folks to move and shelter in place immediately upon hearing the siren. So that's just one example, but that's emblematic of exactly how important time is.
The university says the system is now up and running after a successful test last month. A spokesman says UNC will continue to look at new technology in the months and years ahead to continue improvements. In Chapel Hill, Justin Quisenberry, CBS North Carolina.
And we also checked in with other UNC system schools in our area. NC State has a similar system. On one screen, the school can select different notification methods to push out at the same time. The website is updated manually. And Fayetteville State uses Blackboard Connect, which is a system that can send out texts, emails, and phone calls in less than a minute. North Carolina Central University has sirens and digital alerts. It wasn't immediately clear for the university what the process is for initiating those various types. Alyssa?